Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. First, we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Google Chrome. Okay, and now let's say we want to take a screenshot of this page. To do it, simply press the power button and the volume down button together. Once you press them, you will see the animation on the screen and also hear the sound. And when this pop-up appears right here, it means you took a screenshot. And you can do a couple of things. You can share the screenshot, edit the screenshot, or capture more. So basically, capture more option allows you to take a screenshot of the page that doesn't fit on the screen. So you have something like Google page and you can scroll down. You can basically capture more of it. So if you take a screenshot, tap on capture more, you can then double tap on the screen and you will see this screen right here, and you can select the area of the screen you want to capture. And once you're done, you can tap on save. Like this. Okay, you can also enable the option to take a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe on the screen. To do it, open the settings, scroll down, find the option called System, tap on it, and here tap on the gestures. And at the bottom you should see the 3-finger screenshot. Tap on it, tap on the switch to enable it, and now you can take a screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers on the screen. Oh no, not swipe, my bad. Touch and hold, like this. Usually it's swipe down, but on this phone it's touch and hold. Okay. And if you want to see your screenshots, you can simply open the Photos app, tap on Library, and you have a screenshots folder right here, and you can view your screenshots. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.